Sorry. Okay, that is a cute cat. Okay, kita guna that is ni untuk berapa objek? Satu ataupun banyak? Yes, there is some water. We can use countable and uncountable noun as well. Some, right? Good one. Okay, one. Okay, Cinta kata banyak. Okay, sebenarnya there is ni, the word is ni refer kepada one object. Right? One object. Tak kisahlah object ataupun items, things, person, animal, plant, fruit. Okay, yang tu semua satu sahaja. Okay, tapi kalau banyak kita akan fokus kepada there are. Yang ni banyak ataupun lebih dari satu. They aren't. Sama juga. Okay, banyak. Biasanya nouns, bila sebut pasal nouns, kita kena tambah s lah. Alright? Semua faham? If you guys understand, I want you to reply with understood. Alright, understood, easy peasy. Good one. Interrogation ni. Alright. Okay, so yang ni adalah 3 contoh. Okay, for they are super duper easy. Yes, good one side. Right? Number for they are, kan? They are. Yes, they are close here. Okay, referring ke ni ada as. Right? Showing that the close is in plural.